2 plus 2 gives us 4. 3 times 4 gives us 12, and 12 divided by 12 gives us 1. But this answer is not right, because according to the order of operations, we must solve parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Remember, if in any expression you have both multiplication and division present, you must work from left to right, and same applies to addition and subtraction. Now let's rewind and solve this problem the right way. In this expression, we have division and addition operators present, and we have parentheses present too. And according to the rules, parentheses have highest priority. So let's solve what we have inside parentheses. We have 2 plus 2, that gives us 4. Our expression simplifies to 12 divided by 3 times 4. Now if you notice, we have two operators present in this expression, division and multiplication, and they both are at same level of priority, but we must work from left to right. So let's solve this division first. 12 divided by 3, that gives us 4, and 4 times 4 gives us 16, which is the final and correct answer to this problem. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, comment your answers, and subscribe to our channel.